In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your global API key in Cloudflare. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, we need to head over to the Cloudflare website. Open your preferred web browser, type in the Cloudflare URL and hit enter. Once you're on the Cloudflare homepage, you'll want to log into your existing account. Look towards the top right corner for the login option. Click on it and you'll be presented with different sign-in methods. To make this seamless, let's continue by logging in through Google. It's super convenient, especially if you're already in your Google account. Click on Continue with Google, and you'll be prompted to select your preferred Google account. Go ahead and choose the account associated with your Cloudflare access privileges. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with your Cloudflare dashboard, displaying various options specific to your account. Up next, let's navigate to your account settings to access those crucial API details. Spot your profile photo in the top right corner, that's your gateway. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear, featuring several options. From this menu, select My Profile. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage personal information, security settings, and indeed API tokens. Now we're getting closer to your global API key. Within your profile settings, look for the API tokens option. Clicking this option will transition you to a section dedicated entirely to API related functionalities. Here you'll find the global API key. This is a unique key that allows you to authenticate API requests for various Cloudflare services. The next step is to view this global API key. Labeled transparently as View, this will redirect you to an extra security step, ensuring that unauthorized access doesn't occur. But before seeing the key itself, there's one more layer of security verification. Cloudflare needs to ensure it's really you requesting access to this sensitive piece of information. You'll be prompted to type in your account password once more and verify through a simple CAPTCHA. This extra measure is all about safeguarding your data. After passing these security checks, click View Again, where you can see your global API key. This is your cue to copy it securely, perhaps into a password manager or a safe document, where it will be easy for you to access whenever needed. Remember, this key should be treated as securely as a password, not shared publicly or used recklessly, as it grants full access to your Cloudflare account's API features. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've accessed and secured your global API key on Cloudflare. Thank you for watching and see you next time with more helpful tech tips.